Hello, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I use the 40K 6-in-1 machine that I've been using recently for the past like 2.5, 3 months almost, and I've gotten such great results from. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do before you start your cavitation journey is make sure you know the precautions and the recommendations that the company who you bought the cavitation machine from advises. Now, this machine is the 40K 6-in-1 machine that comes with the laser lipo pads, it comes with the vacuum, it comes with the cavitation probe, and there's 3 different probes for radio frequency. This one is from the company My CH Way. I'm going to link them right here and in the description box if you're interested in getting it. I do have a discount code, several discount codes actually, and I'm going to put them right here. When you buy any of their devices, you can use my code to check out and you're going to save some coins, honey. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a good cavitation gel, an ultrasound cavitation gel. Now, I make my own, which is completely amazing, not because I make it. It took me a really long time to actually formulate it. This is my ultrasonic cavitation gel. I have it available on my website. I'm going to put my website right over here. It's selflovesolutions.store. Now, this is fantastic. It's going to help with stretch marks. It's going to help with cellulite. It's going to help to transmit the ultrasound waves deeper into the dermis and deeper into those fatty cells so you can drain them through the lymphatic system. This gel also has skincare benefits to it, so it's just not for cavitation. It's actually skincare in a gel. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I had bariatric surgery approximately a year, 7 months ago. I've lost since then about 85 pounds, and I have no loose skin, particularly because I have been working out throughout as well and before. So loose skin wasn't that prominent to me, and I didn't lose the over 100 pounds. If you lose more than 100 pounds, typically you do have more loose skin. And also because I've done cavitation. I also give a lot of kudos to ultrasound cavitation because I've been doing it since 2020 and this has been fabulous for me. But I'm going to show you more or less what I've been doing to tighten this area up, especially my mom pouch. And these are the scars from my VSG bariatric weight loss surgery. What you want to do is pump 1 or 2, depending on how big of the area that you're going to use this gel on. Because I'm going to be applying it on my belly, I did 2 pumps. You don't have to wipe this gel off. You could just simply let it dry and let it sit on your belly or wherever it is that you're going to use it. Do not use this gel on your face though, okay? I have another gel specifically for the face. Only use this on your body. I'm going to wipe my hands. Full cavitation on the body. You're going to go make sure that it's on 40K. And you're going to do it for up to half an hour per body part, 1 hour a day. Now for skin tightening, you're going to want to use this probe, which is the radio frequency one. And you're going to start always at number 1, which is the lowest setting. And then you want to make sure that you do mode 1. I don't know if you see it, but there is a red light that turns on. And that's what's going to help you with the skin tightening. You can also experiment by going up. As long as you'd like. Now the vacuum is very interesting because what the vacuum does is it basically takes what you just broke down with the cavitation or with the radio frequency, and it basically takes that fat, and then what you're going to want to do is drag that fat that's liquefied basically and bring it to the lymph nodes. You're going to go to function, vacuum. You're going to select either mode 1, and then you're going to use this nozzle up here to increase or decrease the function. Press OK, and it's going to start. You can start at level 1. See? Turns on the light. Then you're going to go and just drag it this way. Now to use the laser lipo pads, all you have to do is connect these. You're going to put this waistband on wherever you want to do the laser lipo. I'm going to do it right there. Right there. Select the laser lipo. I'm going to start at that. I'm going to click on OK. The lights are going to turn on, and then you could put these wherever you want the laser lipo. Now I'm just doing this for demonstration, but make sure you are doing this laying down. It's so much easier and the pads actually will stay in place. So let's get into radio frequency for the face, because there are two probes here. One is for the face and one is for the under eye area. So let's try the face one first. This is the one that has the 4 little knobs. You're going to switch over to the face RF, face radio frequency, which is basically for skin tightening, especially right here in the double chin area or in the cheeks as well. That's where you mainly want to focus on if those are your issues. Now you do need either an oil or a serum for this. I do have a face serum that you can use. It's available also on my website. You can use something like this, which is an overnight recovery oil, or if you have a serum of your choice, you can use that as well. What you're going to want to do is when you select face radio frequency, you're going to select then the energy that you're going to want. So I'm going to go and select at the lowest. You always want to start at number 1, okay? And then you're going to press start. With the serum or the oil, you're going to want to go in an upward motion. In this area here where the smile lines are, you could also do it in your jaw to get that tighter jaw. You could do it on your double chin, or you could also do it on your forehead if that's an area where you feel like you have some wrinkles, or if you have the 11th going on, you could use that there as well. For that, you're going to want to do circular motions. And if you can tolerate it, go up a notch. It will get warmer, but nothing that's intolerable. Now this little guy right here with the 3 is for you to be able to safely use radio frequency under your eyes. Now this is phenomenal for anybody who has bags under their eyes, or if you feel like you have more liquid retention in that area. Go ahead and do this on your under eye with an under eye cream. So what you're going to do, select the eye radio frequency, start it up, and start at the number 1. The little red light is going to light up, and then you can safely do that. If you can tolerate number 1, go ahead and do number 2. So that's how I've been using the 40K 6-in-1 cavitation device from my CHWay, using the gel that I have. Now, if you are interested, like I said earlier, if you're interested in learning a little bit more in depth as to what is radio frequency, what exactly is cavitation, I have a video on that. But if you want to know what the vacuum does a little bit deeper, if you want me to go deeper into what the radio frequency does for the eyes and for the face or for the body, let me know in the comment section. I appreciate your support. I read each and every one of your comments. Now, like I said, I do have discount codes for this device and other devices from my CHWay. All you have to do is just check in the description box down below. I also have them linked so you could get this one in specific or other devices as well. Make sure you like and follow me, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.